Hey guys, so whoever is over here, as promised, I told you that I'll come live because I was not able to film the Sunday tutorial. So here I am, and thanks to everybody who started joining in. Hi Harshada, and hi Visharani, hi Jia, and hi Anurag. Say, okay, so everybody who's saying hi, hi to everybody. Thanks for joining in. And I had asked you guys to ask any question that you may have. So I am over here. I thought I would come live for 1 hour, but I won't be able to manage for 1 hour. So this is just a quick half an hour live where I'll be answering your questions I have in another mobile. And if you want, you can ask any question over here as well, through the chat. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna save this live. So here we go. First, tell me who all waited for the Sunday tutorial today. I want to know. Ma'am, your painting are very nice. Thank you so much. Your paintings are awesome. Thanks so much, Gia. And Nayak says, I like your tutorials. Thank you so much. What acrylic colors do you use? Okay, so I share everything on the Sunday tutorials. I use Camlin artist grade acrylic paints. I use Winsor Newton Galleria acrylic paints. I even use Spebio acrylic paints, and I use Liquitex Basics acrylic paints as well. So how to get inspired for paint? Everybody gets inspired. I think you mean to say that how you get inspiration for painting, right? So everybody gets inspiration from different things. You know what may inspire me may not inspire you. So you gotta find your own inspiration. Like for me, what inspires me really a lot is nature, going on long drives, going on mountains, and our Indian culture, the colors of our Indian culture. The colors in Indian culture are so bright and pure, right from the flowers that we use, gende ka phool, yeah, red bright roses that we use in our puja and all. So our Indian culture, the bright colors surround our Indian culture, those inspire me. Hey, I'm interested in learning proper techniques of drawing in terms of perspective and geometry. Can you suggest how I could go about it? Um, to learn perspective and geometry and all that, um, find books. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube as well, Skillshare as well. There are so many online teachers as well. So books, Skillshare, teachers, free tutorials on YouTube. There is so much content every day, everywhere. You can Google so much content and you'll get it. At so young age, you're superb at your painting. Okay. I won't like to disclose my age, but I'm not too young. I'm married and I have 2 kids as well. And when I usually say that, people get shocked. They can't believe I have kids and all that. So I know. But anyways, I'm not that young also. Yeah, but I'm not old also. I'm like somewhere in beach mein. Where are you from? I'm from Pune. Can you conduct any workshop, please? Okay, so I have a lot of workshops in my online Artificial Art Academy, and those workshops are very much in detail where I share all the techniques as well, and where I share each and everything about the material, and we go through the entire painting step by step, complete from start to finish. So you can check out Artificial Art Academy, whose link is in the bio. Basics of poster color for beginners. I don't usually teach poster colors, but yeah, I'll try to share that. It's not possible to share that now. Ma'am, I'm from Gujarat. You should do workshop after this COVID. Oh my god, I can't explain how much I'm dying to get back to those workshops and get back to traveling and meeting you guys in person. Meeting you guys in person, was completely a different experience, and I am just dying to get back to that experience. Your work is really amazing. Thanks for the information. Thank you so much, Shweta. Okay, let's take some questions from what you guys had posted. I wanted to answer that question about freelance. Ma'am, I want to Okay, wait. Let me get to that freelance question. Can you give us some homework or challenge or something to paint today? Okay, one of you said that if I can give you some homework or challenge. You know what? The main challenge or homework that you can really take after not only today but after every Sunday tutorial is whatever painting I am sharing in a Sunday tutorial or any other tutorial, just recreate that painting exactly. And when you recreate that painting, you will understand how I painted, the techniques we went through, and the entire process of painting and all that. But I want you to uske baad imagine and try to use whatever you learned in that particular painting to add something more to it. Try to twist it, try to add your own creativity to it, and try to create your own original after learning from that Sunday tutorial. So that is one thing that you can do. What are the basic acrylic colors for beginners? Annie says. Okay, Annie, you just buy Camlin Artist Acrylic box. Camlin Artist Acrylic paint box. It's easily available in any fine art store. And Camlin, and Winsor Newton Galleria acrylics are also very, very good. So next is, once again, hello ma'am, I'm interested to learn acrylic painting. Can you tell me how to join the course? Just go to the link in my bio. You will get the Arishal's Art Academy link over there, and you can check out all the classes that are available over there, and then all the details of the classes are also over there. The curriculum is over there, and you can read that and choose any class, and every class will take you through so much in depth that you will understand a lot more about acrylics and techniques going through any class you go over there. Okay, Divyansh says please suggest some good paper for acrylic. Okay, Ayush Paper has some really good acrylic paper, so you can contact Ayush Paper for that. And then I think Canson also has a lot of Canson brand also has this acrylic paper. But more than going in for like acrylic paper, I would suggest that get a canvas pad, because the way acrylic painting looks on canvas, it never looks the same on paper. Canvas is like it's like made for acrylic. I don't know, it's just my personal thought. A lot of people paint beautifully with acrylics on paper as well, but personally I just love how love the way acrylic looks on the canvas. So yeah, so if you are a beginner, you can go in for a canvas pad. Canvas pad is like a sketchbook made out of canvas, and I would like to like spill the surprise over here that very soon the canvas pads of our own brand, or of Arishal's Art brand, will be available at arishals.in, our store as well. And once again, just like for brushes, I, as an artist, I knew that these are the exact, like, these brushes will be good, or what kind of hair we need, or what kind of brushes we need. So I tried to get those for you through Arishal's Art brand. So I'm trying to do exact that thing with the canvas pads as well, like the kind of canvas that I want, the amount of smoothness that I want. I'm like getting everything made so that the canvas pads are exactly how we need. So this was supposed to be a surprise or a future launch or something, but anyways, I spilled the beans over here. So let's see. Okay, Mohit Khatri says hello, I have a question. Sure, Mohit, let me know what question you have, till then I'll say. So Kanchan over here asks, what is your day routine? Okay, my day routine is waking up in the morning, then imagining that I want to exercise, but then I don't. Anyways, then yeah, but I'm gonna start exercise soon. I'm really gonna start. It has been like ever since the lockdown started, life has become so crazy that I haven't been exercising or doing any such thing. Anyways, so I wake up my kids, get them ready for school, and then because they have the school from home, oops, sorry. Sorry, there was a phone. Okay, because my kids have school from home, I'm const like I have two kids. So one of them, I make them sit in front of me, like this is my desk over here, and one of them sits over there in the desk in front of me, and one of them I make them sit on the dining table in the hall. And then there's like 3 or 4 hours of school time, and I'm literally running behind, like one from one desk to another desk, trying to make one of them concentrate, and then make one of the I'm helping one of them like deal with the laptop issues, and then I'm dealing with the internet issues, and then my son is very naughty, so I'm like dealing with making him concentrate as well. So till like around 12, 1, I'm like right now doing that. But usually, when they had like proper school, at that time was like my main working time. So after they are done with the school, and after I like give them I make them study for 1 hour. Like immediately after school, we make sure that we take a 15-minute break, and then we get done with our studies and the homework for 1 hour and a half or whatever. And after that, they are free. And after that, it's my mom comes in the picture. My mom serves them lunch, and then they're having lunch and having their break time, and they're watching something and relaxing and all that. So while like 2-3 hours they're watching and having their break or relaxing time, at that time I come back over here and quickly get done with like the paintings that I need to get done. Or there's like more than painting, there's a lot of admin work that needs to be done. Okay, so I handle that admin work, or whatever needs to be done, I do that. So one of you saying you're not even answering. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not see what I did not answer for you, but I'm trying to read the questions over here and look over there as well. So I'm really sorry if I missed any of your question. Hi ma'am, your artworks are really great, you inspire me a lot. Please tell some tips for first time painting on canvas to achieve the look. How do you take online classes and timing? Okay, so for the person who's first time trying on canvas, the only tip is just get your acrylics, just get your canvas, and just get started. Nothing else. Like, don't think of any tips or ideas of what you need to do. Just get started. Brush लो, पेंट निकालो पैलेट में, ब्रश से पेंट उठाओ और कैनवस पे स्टार्ट हो जाओ. पहले तो पहला पेज जो भी होगा कैनवस का, उस पर पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट करो कि कितना ये कलर लगता है, एंड हाउ मच वाटर टू ऐड इन दैट कलर, और if at all you need water to add in that color, because at some techniques we need water and some techniques we really don't, we avoid water completely. So experiment on canvas, how the colors work. And once you get an idea of how the colors are working on the canvas, then draw simple shapes and try to paint inside those shapes only. That's it. And then once you get an idea of how to paint inside those shapes, then try some other painting or some other tutorials from YouTube, or wherever you want, or some of my Sunday tutorials if you like. Add life to yours. Wow, beautiful name. Okay, add life to yours says your art studio has lovely view. Thank you so much. I can't wait to film a studio tour soon, which I'm definitely gonna do. Recently I redecorated my entire art space, and I can't wait to share with you the art studio. So art studio tour also, and tips for your own art studio as well. That'll definitely come on as one of the Sunday tutorials. So on one of the Sunday tutorials, we won't be painting, but we will be going through my art studio and my journey from what kind of art studios I've had in the past, till what I have right now, till what I imagine to have someday. Okay, give your YouTube link, Tasneem says. Tasneem ji, just type youtube.com/artishazart. So that is it, and the direct link is in the bio as well. What camera you use for YouTube? I just use my iPhone. That's it, nothing else. When you post a video on your lotus painting tutorial? No, I cannot post a video of my lotus painting tutorial, because that is a class that I have designed for somebody else. There's a US based company, they also design online classes, and they have their own online academy. So this is the class that I've designed for them, so I won't be sharing a tutorial or YouTube over here. Could you please teach gouache in your Sunday tutorials? I really want to. Yes, I'm definitely I'll definitely try to do that. Hello ma'am, how to use water with acrylic colors on canvas? You just mix very tiny bit of water with acrylic with the brush and then just apply on the canvas. That's it. Ma'am, how can we pick the right color combination? For this, I would really suggest that you study color theory, know more about color theory. And if you go to YouTube and in the search, if you type Artisha's art color theory, it'll take you to my video where I talk a lot about color theory and how it helps in understanding color, and like how to practice that color theory so that your knowledge of color also increases. So that is one thing that will really help you knowing and understanding color theory and using it. How you edit your videos? The recent Sunday tutorial videos that you've been watching on YouTube, I just filmed those on my iPhone itself, and then there is that app called InShot. So I just edit it in InShot and I just directly upload on YouTube. That's it. Books.pg says, please, I don't know, but what you're saying please for, because I think I missed your question. How do you edit and shoot your video? I just said that iPhone Pay I edit, and InShot iPhone Pay I film, and InShot Pay I edit. Which varnish is best for canvas? Out of all the varnishes that I've used, my absolute favorite is Amsterdam Acrylics Gloss Varnish. But currently it's just out of stock everywhere. Even I'm running out of it, and I can't wait for it to come back in stock so that I can just buy it in bulk this time, because I cannot work without Amsterdam Acrylics Gloss Varnish. Ma'am, your paintings are awesome. Thank you so much. Hi ma'am, you are so inspiring to me. Thank you. I have a question on colored pencil. Which brand is better? I have no idea about colored pencils because I don't use colored pencils. I really don't have patience for colored pencils. Like एक color करने के लिए you just keep doing this. I really don't have patience for that. So I don't use colored pencils. I don't understand about the brands. I admit your work's amazing. Please tell about my goodie bag. Okay. Goodie bag. Okay, in the goodie bag I have this thing on website where you just put your email ID and we email you a goodie bag, and in that goodie bag you get a free Buddha painting video, a complete video from start to finish, the tutorial of how I painted that, and then you even get coloring pages. I think there are 5 coloring pages, and then there are some discount coupons over there, and then 2 चीज़ें और है. I'm not able to remember क्या है, but 2 चीज़ें और हैं that you get. Please share your art journey. Okay, about this art journey as well, I myself want to record it, like, because it is a long journey. So I'm really, like, in my head I'm planning on how to film the entire journey, because in my head I have planned that I want to film like the first initial parts of my, from the year I was born to like how my life was till I was 10 years old, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30. I'm actually gonna film that till whatever age I'm right now. So yeah, I am planning that and I really wanna like do that. Ma'am, please tell me how online classes work, because I'm very interested in learning painting. Is there age requirement, ma'am? No, there's no age requirement, because in the online classes I teach you everything from absolute basics to introducing you to the materials, and then after teaching you the basics, I even teach you the basics of the drawing. Then I teach you the final drawing, complete step by step, and then I teach you the complete painting from start to finish, completely step by step. And all through your being a part of Artisha's Art Academy, you are never ever alone. So if you have any questions, you can always ask me, and I'm always there to answer through Instagram or email, or we have a private Facebook group. You can like answer the question there as well. Do you teach watercolor? No, I don't teach watercolor. I just teach acrylics. Okay, talk about art marketing side, ma'am. Okay, so art marketing is like a very vast subject, but one thing that I've learned through the marketing journey is try to make yourself visible at as many places as possible. and stick to the place that really works for you. So suppose I am on Instagram over here, and suppose I was like new on Instagram and I wanted to make an audience. I would try to make myself visible as much as possible by like posting as much as I can, posting stories as much as I can. I mean, reels are new, posting reels as much as I can, and then I would go and comment on other people's posts, and that will also make me visible because it will be my comment. And suppose one thing also I did a lot was I would go and reply on other people's comments as well. So suppose I'm new to Instagram and I'm following Vinita. Okay, so what I'll do is, I see that okay, Vinita has so many followers and all that, so I would go and I would reply to the comments on her paintings as well. So suppose somebody said on her comments, Vinita, your paintings are so beautiful, I love your painting, then I would just go and reply. If I want to get attention, I just go and reply that, oh, I love her painting as well, yeah, she's amazing. So or if somebody has asked her some question, okay, Vinita, can you please tell me what pen you're using there? So I would just go and reply to that, okay, this is this pen, I think she's using this pen and all. So I would just go and try and help and all that. But in short, I mean, it's like, make yourself visible, try to connect with people, try to help people. The more you the more your intention will be to help people or be there for people, you will automatically get where you want to be. Ma'am, tell me your first time painting experience, because that would encourage to continue practice. I've been painting since I was very little, but I do not understand your question. First time painting experience. First time for anybody is like a struggle. For me, I started acrylic for the first time. I painted acrylic was when I was in third year of college. When I was in first year of college, I used to look at acrylic paintings made by the third year kids, and I used to look up and I used to think, wow, they paint with acrylics, I wonder when I will ever get to do that. Because I used to believe that only very good only people who are very very good with their art get to paint with acrylics. And I used to believe that it'll be a long way to reach there where I'll be allowed to paint with acrylics. So finally I reached in third year also, and then I was so excited that I'll be getting to paint with acrylics. So that time I started with acrylics, and then of course, journey is frustrating, learning a medium, understanding color, making so many bad works, and making so many mistakes, and making some works that are really cringe-worthy and they're not like beautiful. So yeah, that entire journey we have to go through till we reach like finally a place like where we get an understanding of color and things, and our paintings finally get to look presentable. I love your feed and you're an amazing artist. Thank you so much, Deepthi. Prince then says, wow, natural reply. Okay. Ma'am, I'm confused what to paint per day. I want to paint but forgot path and feel bad. I think you're asking that you don't understand like what to paint each day. Just stick to a theme. Suppose एक हफ्ते के लिए तुमने select किया theme flowers. So उस हफ्ते में make sure that you're just concentrating on painting and learning about flowers. Suppose next हफ्ते you decide that I want to paint night sky, or maybe aurora, or maybe landscape, or maybe एक हफ्ता decide किया कि I'll just paint faces. So stick to a theme and then we'll just keep working on that. Flaunting Brush says, love your Sunday tutorials. Yay, thank you. Ma'am, post your journey of artworks from since you started till now. Definitely I will. I really want to do that myself as well. I want to record that journey, because you know what, like right now it looks, maybe it looks kind of rosy, and then right now I have a lot of people who say that that you inspire me, or you're my inspiration, all that. But you know what, they're like, behind this right now, which is this little, there is this much of struggle and hard work. So yeah, I really want to record that myself. आप इतने अच्छे हैं कि आप हमें कुशल खोलने के लिए बहुत ही लोगों को प्रेरित करते हैं. Thank you so much, Sujita. What is your qualification? From where have you done? I am Bachelor's in Fine Arts from Nagpur University, India. Smita Wadhwa says, your Sunday tutorials are best. Thank you so much for this. Yay, thank you so much, Smita. Don't you think one should comment on some artist's feed when they genuinely like their art? Yeah, we comment on somebody's feed only when we genuinely like the art, right? We don't just randomly go and comment on any feed. Start therapy for kids and motivate and educate kids. My request to great art. Yes, definitely. I really want to start like online classes for kids, because I know that if I start online classes for kids on Saturday, there's like so much inside me like that I want to give to little kids as well. And I used to have these classes for kids in Belgium, where my intention was not only to teach drawing or painting to kids, because there you will get 100 teachers more who will teach you drawing and painting. So when I was living in Belgium, I used to take classes, but along with teaching drawing and painting to those kids, I also used to teach them a lot about life. I used to tell them a lot about focus, goal setting, motivation, and I used to share with them about inspiring people, inspiring videos. So my the parents of those kids used to tell me that you're not only the art or drawing teacher, you're like actual mentor for them. So that is why I want to bring that back online, because if I can be a teacher who's not only teaching drawing and painting, but if I can be a teacher who plays a part in understanding life and motivation, and I will be very, very happy to do that. Your artwork is very, very beautiful. Thank you for the tutorials. Thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you. Kirti Sindhi. Hi Shilpa, I have been following your work for quite some time. I'm mother of 2 boys. I have rekindled my love for art now. During the pandemic, I have done few artwork. You so inspired. Thank you so much, Bhuvana. एक पेंटिंग को पूरा करने में आपको कितना समय लगता है? सो एक पेंटिंग को पूरा करने में कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स कि मेरे पास कितना टाइम है और उसमें वो पेंटिंग कितनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. जैसे मैं संडे ट्यूटोरियल बना रही हूँ तो वो सुपर इजी और सिंपल होता है, तो उसमें टाइम नहीं लगता है. लेकिन जैसे मैं कोई क्लास बना रही हूँ, कोई क्लास डिज़ाइन कर रही हूँ जो बहुत डिटेल्ड है, उसमें मुझे टाइम लगता है. और उसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम इसीलिए भी लगता है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारे डिटेल्स भी हैं, और इसीलिए भी लगता है क्योंकि बीच बीच में मुझे उठना पड़ता है. बच्चों को कुछ चाहिए या किसी को कुछ चाहिए या घर में कुछ लेके आना है, कुछ काम है, ये वो, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए उठना पड़ता है. आई एम लिटरली लाइक मल्टीटास्किंग. यहाँ पे पेंटिंग कर रही हूँ तो वहाँ पे कुछ कर रही हूँ, वहाँ पे कुछ कर रही हूँ. कभी शिपिंग वाला आया है तो उसको नीचे पार्सल देने जाना है, पार्सल्स रेडी करना है. किसी के 100 क्वेश्चन रहते हैं. जैसे ना सपोज़ किसी ने ब्रश खरीदा तो उसी टाइम मैसेज करते हैं कि हमारा पार्सल कब पहुँचेगा, तो उसको रिप्लाई करना है. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई एम डूइंग एट द सेम टाइम. सो I don't get a stretch to sit on a painting, but yeah, it completely depends कि वो painting कितनी complicated and all that. Take care, ma'am. Okay, I'll take care. Okay, hi, ma'am. I love your work. Which media you like most? Okay. This account is all dedicated to acrylic paints, and I also absolutely love acrylic paints the most. Which black pen to use for final touch up of the canvas? No, why do you want to touch up with a black pen at the end of the painting? Like, I don't do that. How do you get idea for your paintings? As I said, if you stick to a theme, that helps you get ideas. अगर suppose मैं आपको बोलूँ कि flowers के theme पे कुछ बनाओ, तो that will help you, think of what you can do with that theme. Your brushes are mostly out of stock. I know. I'm very, very, very sorry about that. ये सब जो पेंडेमिक हुआ है ना, उसने बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब कर दिया है हमारे प्रोडक्शन लाइन को. Pehle we did not have labor for a long time, like, people, there are people specializing in, creating these brushes, so those people were not there. And then we had the stock back, but then you guys were so fast in buying that that stock also got out of stock, like sold out. And then we even faced the problem of, because all these brushes are made in India, right? So the factories were not producing the raw material because of this lockdown and pandemic on time, so that also problem we had. So anyways, those problems will be solved very very soon, like we're working on that. But yeah, next week a lot of the brushes are coming back in stock, so do keep an eye at arishas.in for India and arishas.com for world. And you have to grab them fast, because I know whatever stock is coming is not going to last even for 15 days, because there are so many people who've been constantly asking us about the brushes. So as soon as they come back, if you really want them, then you just grab them soon. Thank you so much, Kirti. She says, I would, I wish I could meet you. Definitely someday when the pandemic is over, I will get back to the workshops and we can. Since when did you start painting? Ever since I can remember. Like from when I was a little kid, I was drawing and painting and scribbling, and I have like learned every kind of every forms of art, right? From oil painting, watercolor painting, pencil sketching, making things with clay, crochet, embroidery. You just name it, I've done it all. आपने किस एज में ड्राइंग किया था? मैं जब KG1 में थी ना, KG1 में कब होते हैं हम जब 3 इयर्स के होते हैं तो नर्सरी में होते थे, और KG1 में होते थे हम 4 इयर्स के होते थे. तो जब मैं 4 इयर्स की थी तब मुझे मेरा फर्स्ट प्राइज़ मिला था. Like I won a second prize in my class for drawing. So yeah, ever since then I've been doing. How do one buy the brushes in India? What is the price? For buying the brushes in India, you just have to go to artisals.in, and then you can buy the brushes from there. How to gain subscribers on YouTube at our channel? How to be visible? Okay, that's my struggle as well. If you know how to gain subscribers on YouTube, you also tell me. I have no idea, because I don't have like many subscribers on YouTube. Right now on YouTube we are a family of 12,000, but yeah, that's not much. Whenever things get normal, please do keep workshop in Mumbai. Please मुझे मिलना है आपसे. Definitely यार, मुंबई तो बाजू में ही है. Anytime Mumbai, तो I just come anytime by car. Your paintings are damn good, man. They are fabulous. Thanks for being inspiration. Thank you so much. My name is not Smita, it's Samta Wadwani. You called me Smita. Sorry यार, जल्दी में समता हो गया वाधवानी. Okay. Your color scheme is excellent. Thank you so much. I love colors. Colors are my great inspiration. Okay, so I think that is it. I would like to stop the live stream over here. Thank you so much. ये जो heart press करता है ना, जो एकदम ऐसे hearts आते हैं, I just love that. Thank you for pressing those hearts. So can we just press those hearts एक साथ, so that बहुत सारे ऐसे hearts आएंगे, and then I'll leave. I know that's very silly, I know, but I really love that. How do you select props for flat lay photos? Yeah, there go so many hearts coming in. Thank you. रुक क्यों गए? Don't stop. Like, keep those hearts coming. That is so cool. Anyway, look at that. Okay. I forgot the question. I was like busy looking at the hearts and I forgot the question. How do I gain my subscribers? I have no idea about how to gain YouTube. Okay, wait, I forgot the question. Okay, somebody is asking how to sell paintings at fixed prices. So on YouTube, I have videos about all these: how to sell, where to sell, how to price your work. I love that video of where I talk about how to price your work. So you can just go to YouTube and type artisans how to price your work. You will get there. Your voice nice, so can you singing better? No, I'm a very very bad singer. How do you select the props for flat lay photos? I just keep for flat lay photos. You forgot my question. Yes, I got back. For flat lay photos, I just keep things that I really like. Like I really like the small beads that you usually see, and recently I've got this as well. I'll just show you. Recently I've got this plant as well, chotusa, that I'm gonna use as my prop. So I just keep looking for things that I really like, and then when I'm like taking a picture of the painting, I just arrange things, and I just like see what looks good and experiment and all that. Until you end the session, you will get hearts. Yay! Thank you so much. Then I'll not end the session only, because I'll just keep looking at the hearts. In every life there will be one comment about your voice for sure. वो तो है ही, पक्का है वो तो. Do you get frustrated? A lot. Can you suggest some books for drawing? वो देखो, मैंने ना पीछे कुछ बुक्स रखी हैं जो मुझे इंस्पायर करती है. जब वो स्टूडियो टूर होगा ना, तब मैं डेफिनेटली दिखाऊंगी, या तो बुक्स पे कुछ अलग वीडियो बना दूँगी. आई रियली लव योर वर्क्स एज बिगनर. विच टाइप ऑफ एक्रिलिक पेपर शुड बी यूज्ड? वेट फॉर फ्यू डेज. वी आर हैविंग what did I tell you earlier? What are we having? Yeah, we are having Artishal's Art canvas pads. So definitely get those for your acrylic painting journey, to get started with the acrylic painting journey. You're having millions of subscribers. I'll pray. You're brilliant. Oh, thank you so much, Kirti. You're so sweet today to me. Again, did I say your name wrong? Kirti है ना? वो कोई और था. How do you get yourself motivated? I'm like, I think I'm like very much self-motivated, but how do I keep myself motivated? I don't know. I don't know. I just constantly listen to people who are like very very motivating. That is like I'm really doing always. So for business, if I really like, I don't get frustrated in my painting, but the business part has a lot of frustration to it. Constantly things going on, constantly I'm like, there are a lot of things that I don't know, because I'm not a business person. So constantly I have to keep learning and keep exploring and all that, and constantly I'm making mistakes, right from in money matters to in taking my decisions and all that. So there is a lot of frustration in business going on. So if I want to like keep myself motivated in business, I listen to people like Vivek Bindra, who I really follow to understand business, and then Tony Robbins, who I once again really follow to understand business and all that. And पेंटिंग के फ्रस्ट्रेशन को हैंडल करने के लिए इज़ लाइक I just change my medium. Suppose I'm constantly working on something, some project or something, and I'm really tired, then I do some experiments with maybe art journaling, or maybe watercolor painting and all that, and then that refreshes my mind and opens up. Or maybe I just take a break, go out. Or the best thing to handle my frustration is take me to a long drive. Like a long drive just takes out all the frustration inside me. So that, yeah, the different things I do to handle my frustrating moments. You are a mom of two. Santur mommy. Thank you so much, Smita. Which are the best brushes for painting? How can you even ask this question over here? Like Artishal's Art brushes, come on. It was me जिसका नाम गलत लिया. It's KK. Anyway, thank you. तुम कौन सा यूज़ कलर करते हो? मैं एक्रिलिक पेंट्स यूज़ करती हूँ. मैम प्लीज़ वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. विच एक्रिलिक पेंट इज़ गुड फॉर पेंटिंग? Camlin Artist acrylic paints and Winsor Newton Galleria acrylic paints, Liquitex Basics acrylic paints, and Dale and Downey acrylic paints. There's so many acrylic paints that you can use. I so want to be like you. Oh, thank you. Ma'am, your paintings are awesome. I love to see your all paintings. A lot of my paintings you can go and catch on artishals.com, और मेरे YouTube चैनल पे भी बहुत सारी पेंटिंग्स मिलेगी. और किसी ने तो भी यहाँ पे बोला कि मुझे मिलियंस ऑफ सब्सक्राइबर्स होना चाहिए. तो मिलियंस ऑफ सब्सक्राइबर्स होने के लिए प्लीज़ मेरे YouTube चैनल पे जाके ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना, so that It's Artificial Art brushes. Wrong question. Exactly. Wrong question at the wrong place. ऑयल पेंटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करो. ऑयल पेंटिंग्स मतलब पर्सन टू पर्सन डिपेंड है. कोई कोई लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है और कोई कोई लोग मेरे जैसे होते हैं जिनमें ऑयल पेंटिंग के ड्राई होने के लिए पेशेंट नहीं रहता है. ऑयल पेंटिंग को ड्राई होने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है. इनफैक्ट इट टेक्स डेज फॉर द ऑयल पेंटिंग पेंट्स टू ड्राई. सो दैट्स व्हाई द टेक्निक्स ऑफ ऑयल पेंटिंग्स आर completely different. So that's I really don't have patience for oil paints to dry, so that I don't use that. When you're restocking on brushes next week, a lot of the brushes are coming back, so next week do grab them, because I bet you on that कि 15 दिन में सब खत्म हो जाएंगे, and then they will go out of stock again. Your paintings are awesome. Thank you. How to do workshop for paintings? Check out Artificial Art Academy at the link in the bio for workshops on painting. ऑयल पेंट्स में क्या मिक्स करना पड़ता है? मैं पर्सनली ऑयल पेंट में लिंसीड ऑयल मिक्स करती थी पेंटिंग के लिए, एंड देन उसको वॉश करने के लिए, मतलब उसके ब्रशेस को वॉश करने के लिए टर्पेंटाइन यूज़ करती थी. ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब. ये थैंक यू. शाउट आउट टू पी बंसल फॉर ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइबिंग. यार ब्रशेस आई लव. ये थैंक यू. I love your drawing. Is learning drawing or sketching must for painting? Learning drawing and sketching is like the base of everything. You know what? जैसे हमको अगर इंग्लिश सीखना है तो उसका ABCD बेस है ना, तो वैसे ही ड्राइंग और स्केचिंग इज़ लाइक द बेस. when you are good at your drawing ना, तो उसके बाद तुम उसके ऊपर पेंट ऐसा फेंक भी दोगे ना तो भी वो ब्यूटीफुल पेंटिंग लगेगी. Love all your works. So soothing. Thank you so much. Do you take live online classes? I don't take live online classes at all. But मैं सिर्फ एक चीज़ की लाइव ऑनलाइन क्लासेस प्लान कर रही हूँ. मुझे लोगों को सिखाना है, बिकॉज आई गेट दिस कॉन्स्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि हाउ टू ड्रॉ अ बुद्धा फेस, लाइक द बेसिक्स ऑफ ड्रॉइंग द फेस. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई रियली वांट टू टीच, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम प्लानिंग अ लाइव वर्कशॉप फॉर. But for detail paintings, there will never be a live workshop. That you will find in Artificial Art Academy only, whose link is in the bio. What is the best book to buy for acrylic painting? अभी इस टाइम में एक्रिलिक पेंटिंग के लिए कोई बुक बाय मत करो. इतने सारे फ्री यूट्यूब पे ट्यूटोरियल्स हैं, स्किलशेयर पे क्लासेस हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल हैं फ्रॉम सो मेनी अमेजिंग टीचर. राइट नाउ वी डोंट रियली नीड एनी बुक. Your Buddha artworks are best. Please do more. Definitely, Buddha will be coming more. Dee, can you please make tutorial for painting roses? Yes, I'll definitely try in one of the Sunday tutorials to bring a rose painting. Okay, so I think मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन इसमें से आंसर करना था. जस्ट क्विकली लुक फॉर द क्वेश्चन एंड देन आई विल हैव टू एंड दिस ओवर हियर. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच टाइम लेफ्ट. You ship from one of you writes you ship from Pune to let me know if I can come and pick up some canvas from your studio. Why pay shipping? So अगर आपको मेरे घर पे आके पिकअप करना है, पहले तो गार्ड आपको एंटर नहीं करने देगा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोरोना वायरस, एंड सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल यू डोंट वांट टू पे शिपिंग. सो उतना तो आपको पेट्रोल भी लग जाएगा. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट शिपिंग एंड ऑल. वैल्यू योर टाइम एंड पेट्रोल एंड एनर्जी एज वेल. No question, just wanted to let you know that I admire you. Thank you so much. Okay, this was the question. Are you doing freelancing regarding arts or in different area? And some of you had even asked like how to get freelance work. So because in the audience that I have built up, तो किसी को कोई freelance work चाहिए, या किसी को कुछ पेंटिंग करानी है, या किसी को कोई क्लास में मेरे साथ collaboration करना है क्या, तो they just contact. And then if you are a new like at art and painting and you want to get into freelance work, then you are the one who has to contact people. So suppose जब मैं एकदम नई थी ना, so what I used to do, I used to contact interior designers and I used to seek freelance work with them. अगर उनको कहीं कुछ painting चाहिए या कुछ चाहिए. That worked very few times for me because I did not put a lot of hard work into it. But yeah, that is also one way of getting freelance. From which age do you start painting? since forever, since as long as I can remember. When I used to be little, I used to paint a lot using poster colors. हमारे कैमलिन के पोस्टर कलर्स that are still जिंदाबाद. And then when I was like in 11th or 12th, I took some oil painting classes as well. And then college में आके ही I started with acrylics. I suggest your brushes to all my students and friends who are into art. You're amazing. So happy now. See you here. Yay! Thank you so much. Your really support means a lot. Do you teach oil painting? No, I don't teach oil painting. Maybe someday, but not now. Abhi to I only teach acrylic painting. Okay, so that's it. I'll just end this live over here because somebody was asking me my routine. I started my routine, but I left it somewhere. कहाँ पे तो भी कुछ बताया नहीं. But anyways, right now, usually at 9 o'clock I put my kids to bed. लेकिन अभी 9:51 हो गया है. बहुत देर हो गई है वैसे भी. So I have to put my kids to bed ताकि वो टाइम पे सोएंगे तो वो मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठेंगे for their school. So I have to, get to my mommy jobs right now. Didi, bye. Bye. I have all your brushes. Yay. Thank you. So thank you so much for everybody who joined in. And I will see you next time soon. Bye. Take care. Oh, कहाँ गया कैसे इधर